Text description provided by the architects. Initially known as Casa MIC, Curitiba's iconic brutalist residence, it is an original project of renowned architect Manoel Coelho, built in 1981, where he and his family lived for 40 years. In order to renovate and revitalize the original facilities and to adapt to the needs of its new residents, in 2021 began the Retrofit Project, developed by the office in arq+design. With the goal to maintain the main features of its original design, redesign flows, and reinterpret environments, the new building cycle received the title of House 275. The house has 2 floors distributed in half levels, 3 of them considered intimate floors and a social floor, with an outdoor garden area and swimming pool. The freshness of its new phase has a complete reform of electrical and hydraulic infrastructure, including important topics of the project, such as modification in its plant on the intimate floor and in its rooms and in the social floor, promoting, at the same time, technological innovation through the installation of solar panel systems, water reuse, automation, heated flooring, internet, and security. In the process of surveying the construction, infiltration from the winter garden waterfall was pointed out. The stones that covered the cascade were labeled, removed for the correction of infiltration and installation of the new water renewal system, and later the same stones were reinstalled.